So let's say you want to invest in JP Morgan Chase stock because you want to capitalize on this yourself. Now, guys, this is not a buy or sell recommendation, and I'm not a financial advisor, but just for demo purposes, we're going to invest in JP Morgan Chase stock. You'd click on the buy button to start a purchase order, and you now get to choose whether you're looking to do a one-time order, or you can change things here into doing an auto investment if you want to do a recurring investment on a set schedule, or you can do a custom purchase order here if you're looking to set a limit price here for what you want to pay for JP Morgan Chase stock. So let's say you wanted to buy it at the low end over the last month, that would be at about $233.75. You could set that here and essentially set a limit price, but we're just going to invest automatically with a market order by putting $10 here into this stock. So we're going to do a one-time order, and we're going to click here on next. And now we have to give a little bit more information to set up the investing features on Cash App. So we're going to click on the Get Started button, and we now have to enter information here. So it asks us here if any of the following apply. Do we have an immediate family member who is employed by another brokerage or FINRA, or a senior executive? It's very rare that this is going to be the case, so we're going to click None Apply. It now asks for the last four of your social, and it's now going to have you verify your information once again. If everything looks good, you can click on the Looks Good button, and now it asks whether or not you are subject to backup withholdings. We're going to click on Confirm, and now it brings us to the order ticket window to buy $10 worth of JP Morgan Chase. Now, you can invest as little as $1 with Cash App, but we decided to do $10 in this case. We're going to get this for an approximate share price of $239.04 and buy 0.042 shares of JP Morgan Chase stock, symbol JPM, and the funding source here is going to be the debit card. So once that's all set, we're going to click on Confirm, and just like that, you invested $10 into JP Morgan Chase. So if we click here on Done, and then navigate back here at the top left, and click that once again, it brings us back to our portfolio screen, which now shows a $10 balance. And if we scroll down, this is where you can track your overall portfolio and see how the value changes over time on a dollar basis and a percentage basis.